Hello friends, today I'm going to show you an example of JavaScript array element and how we are going to iterate through that loop of array elements and bind it with different controls. So here you can see that my example shows that we have 5 elements in my array, which is a const variable of type uh, fruits of type const, and then we have the length of that array element, and we are going to iterate through a for loop and check how those things display up. Okay, so let's just run this without wasting any more time, and that's going to give me an output of this one. Okay, so we have pineapple, orange, banana, mango, and guava, and that's looping through a for loop, and you can see that I have I less than the length of the arrays and plus plus. Okay, so let's change this one to something different. What if I do this an ordered list? That's going to print those elements in numbers. Look at that, that has numbers. Okay, now what if we um, try to print this? Let's turn it back to the unordered list. um, let's say we want to print this in radio buttons. I give it a name, say R1, and let's remove this one. Reset, check them. They're all radio buttons. You can select only one element from them. Okay, and if we are going to make that checkbox and reset that again, you can see they are all checkboxes now. What else can we do? Can you think about it? Well, we will have it in a different way. Let's put it back to the select. Okay, and see how that one looks up. I will have one default option. Let's say select, and let this be another option ending with a slash option, and the last one would be a slash select. That's the ending tag. Reset that one now. Guess what the output is? Perfect. That's what we have been waiting for. Okay, so this is how you got a drop down of array elements. If you want, you can have a text and a value, and that would perfectly work for your program. So that was all about this video, just to let you know how we can iterate through an array of JavaScript elements and bind it to different HTML elements, HTML tags, and how to use them. I hope you understood what we did. I'm going to share this code with you on GitHub and share the link so that you can do some workarounds and try doing some research on it. So until we have our next set of videos, stay tuned, stay connected, and happy coding. Thank you.